So the fork legs are also out. We are going to put heavy springs in this as well. K-Tech in this ones. So today is the first day of building the Ténéré 700 Rally. We have a long list of mods that we need to do. Full exhaust system, decals, new handlebar, a lot more. What I hope doing today or tonight is just strip the bike down, and after the bike is stripped, do the electronics, the LSK dongle with cruise control, and also everything that we need to do underneath the fairings. After that is done, we are going to put all the fairings from AirTag back on, and then slam some decals on it. Does not sound like much work, but it actually is, because tearing the whole bike down, doing the wiring for the license plate holder, etc., it's not difficult work, but it just takes a lot of time to strip the whole bike down and then reinstall every part that we have. It's funny that this bike really feels a lot lighter than the world rate. And of course we are going to change the exhaust system to a full exhaust system. I'm going to do a comparison, of course. So now you're gonna hear the stock sound, and when it's all done, I'm gonna let you hear it with a baffle and without a baffle, full decat system. So we're starting the strip down. This is the last image you will see it in this state. The next shot it will be completely stripped down. So we're now putting on the 59 95 Newton meters spring. As you can see, it's a bit more thick than the original spring. This is a small one, this is a big one, and because we are very heavy riders, this is better. And this is a nice tool. So this AirTag license plate holder is going to replace the original one. It's a lot shorter, a bit lighter, and you can put the license plate in an angle. What we're gonna have to do is remove the lights and the blinkers and put them on the AirTag. It's just plug and play. It only takes a bit of work. For the instructions, they have a manual, so I'm not gonna show it completely, but we're gonna put it on there. So the fork legs are also out. We are going to put heavy springs in this as well. K-Tech in this ones, also for the weight of the rider. The other one is already in. Bike is pretty empty at the moment. So, plop. So we're in 1.5 hours, something like that. Front suspension, the springs are in. The rear shock is in. I installed the tail tidy, which took me about an hour because of all the wiring and all the tiny screws. But it's on. I will show you in a second. So right now the front wheel is going in, and then we are going to put the AirTag stuff on the bike and maybe a handlebar if there's time today. So this is the AirTag license plate holder, adjustable. There's a screw up here. If you pull it, and then you can flip it up, and you have two angles. So that's about it. Also going to install the TwinPegs on here. A bit more work I think on this one, but I have to check because I only did it on the 2025 minus. So we have the TwinPegs here. They go over here, and you have to adjust this bolt together with some spacers that are all provided with the kit. This is the description. It's very easy, not too difficult. So if you want to see a video, check their website, and we are going to slam it on like this. So we're currently at this point. The black fenders are going on slowly, the tank as well. We did not yet install the cruise control dongle because I thought it was already between the packages, but it's still on its way from Italy, so we'll do that somewhere in the future together with the canister removal, because then the whole tank needs to get off, or maybe we just have to check because we need to do the lambda sensor as well for the exhaust pipe. So we'll see in a bit if we're going to do that or not. All the fairings are being switched, the clips, etc. Blue fairings are already off. License plates, exhaust. We're going to dismantle the whole exhaust system, anti-skid plate, but I don't think we're going to do that tonight, but maybe tomorrow, because it's already getting a bit late. It's already 10:30. So just a few more minutes and then we're going to call it a day. So we're going to call it a day. Side fairings and tank are on. Looks pretty good. We're going to keep the original two-piece here because for the decal kit. The license plate holders on, suspension is done. And also this one, of course, the S3 hard rock solid footpegs with the TwinPeg system is on. We already did a lot. Tomorrow we're going to remove the exhaust, skid plate, put on a full exhaust, put on the rest of the fairings, and then we are going to put on some decals and add the crash bars and the hand guards. That's it for today. So see you in the next episode. Bye.